Which MC4 connectors should you be using when installing Fronius inverter and battery solutions? Staubli MC4 connectors are commonly used for connecting PV strings, as with our commercial inverters, the Toro Direct version, the Verto and the Verto Plus. However, when you're working with the Fronius Reserva battery, you're using a completely different MC4 connector type. Specifically, it's the Staubli MC4 Evo Store connector. Generally speaking, you shouldn't be mixing around connector types because this could lead to contact resistance, which can result in overheating and then eventually damage. So always make sure that you're using the right connector type for your application, which can be checked by looking at the specifications on the product data sheet. We also recommend using the same brand. So in our case, it's Staubli. Thanks for watching. See you next time.